Deep within the earth, under unimaginable pressure and over countless millennia, nature crafts its most coveted treasures: diamonds, rubies and emeralds. These gems are born in darkness, shaped by the planet's restless forces and eventually brought to light by human hands. These stones are more than just beautiful objects. They are symbols of power, wealth and rarity, each carrying a story that began millions of years ago. Their allure has captivated royalty, collectors and dreamers throughout history. But today, in the controlled environment of modern laboratories, human ingenuity has found a way to replicate nature's magic. Scientists now craft gemstones so flawless and precise that even seasoned experts can be fooled by their brilliance. The world of fake gemstones isn't just about deception or trickery, it's a fascinating blend of science and art. Here, imitations can sometimes rival or even surpass the originals in beauty and clarity. We're often taught that only natural stones hold true value, but what if a lab-grown gem could offer the same breathtaking beauty without the heavy environmental or ethical costs that mining can bring? Can a so-called fake ever be more than just a shadow of the real thing? In some cases, the answer is surprisingly yes. Sometimes the imitation outshines the original. Natural gems are born from chaos, each one marked by unique flaws and inclusions, nature's own fingerprints telling a story of their tumultuous creation. Lab-grown stones, on the other hand, are engineered for perfection. They are free from the scars of geological violence, boasting clarity and colour that can seem almost too perfect to be real. This ongoing tension between the randomness of nature and the precision of human control is where the story of fake gemstones truly shines, raising questions about authenticity and value. In this chapter, we'll explore how these remarkable duplicates are made, why they matter in today's world, and how they're transforming what we value in a gemstone. The tale of fake gemstones is as captivating and complex as the earth-forged originals they imitate, inviting us to reconsider what makes a gem truly precious. Natural gemstones are geological miracles, rare survivors of a planetary lottery. Each one is a testament to the unpredictable forces of nature, formed over eons in secret chambers deep beneath the Earth's surface. Deep in the Earth, elements fuse under immense heat and pressure, forming crystals over millions of years. These conditions are so rare and specific that only a tiny fraction of minerals ever become gemstones, making each discovery a remarkable event. Each natural gem is unique, marked by inclusions, tiny imperfections that tell its story. These internal features are like fingerprints, recording the gem's journey through time and the tumultuous environment in which it grew. Fakes, however, are products of human precision. In laboratories, scientists attempt to replicate nature's artistry, but the process is controlled and calculated. Simple imitations like glass or plastic mimic the look, but not the chemistry of real gems. These copies may sparkle, but they lack the depth, durability and history of genuine stones. The real breakthrough is the synthetic gemstone, lab-grown, but chemically identical to its natural counterpart. Scientists have learned to recreate the Earth's conditions, growing crystals in months instead of millennia. Synthetic rubies and emeralds are made from the same elements as the real thing. The only difference is their origin. In the lab, every variable is controlled, resulting in stones that are visually and chemically indistinguishable from those found in nature. Natural stones bear birthmarks, flaws that prove authenticity. These imperfections are cherished by collectors, as they are evidence of a gem's natural origin and unique history. Lab-grown gems are often flawless, their perfection a giveaway of their artificial birth. The absence of natural inclusions can make them seem almost too perfect to be real. Some synthetic processes leave subtle clues, but overall, these stones are unnervingly perfect. Only expert eyes and advanced tools can spot the minute differences that separate lab-grown from natural. The contrast between nature's chaos and the lab's control defines the modern gem market. Buyers must decide what matters more: the story of chance or the achievement of human ingenuity. In the end, both tell a story, one of chance, the other of mastery. Whether born from the earth or crafted in a lab, each gem reflects a different kind of wonder and value. Gemstone value is shaped by the 4 C's: carat, color, clarity and cut, with rarity as the foundation. Fakes by definition aren't rare, yet sometimes their story or artistry makes them more valuable than natural stones. A glass replica worn by a movie star can outshine a real diamond in cultural worth. Early synthetic gems, like Verneuil's rubies, are now prized as scientific milestones. Sometimes the perfection of a synthetic stone is so difficult to achieve that it becomes rare and valuable in its own right. In these cases, the fake is celebrated not as an imitation, but as a marvel of human achievement. Value, it turns out, isn't just about rarity, it's about history, innovation, and the stories we attach to these stones. The line between fake and priceless is often a matter of perspective. The story of Tyrus emeralds shows how a synthetic gem can become a sensation. In the 1990s, Russian scientists perfected the hydrothermal process, growing emeralds with stunning color and clarity. These lab-grown stones rivaled the finest Colombian emeralds, even challenging expert gemologists. To the naked eye, they were flawless, something nature rarely delivers. Buyers often chose these synthetics over cloudy, included natural stones. The Tyrus emerald's value came from its beauty and the technology behind it, not its rarity. This forced the industry to rethink what makes a gem valuable, origin or perfection. For many, the answer was clear: beauty and innovation won out. Tyrus emeralds carved a new niche for high-quality synthetics, celebrated as masterpieces in their own right. They proved that a lab-grown gem could be more than a copy. It could be a coveted original. Today's synthetic gems are born from cutting-edge technology, where science and artistry come together in a dazzling display of innovation. In these state-of-the-art labs, the age-old dream of creating perfect gemstones is now a reality. The flame fusion method, invented by Verneuil, revolutionized gem creation. It quickly produces rubies and sapphires by melting and recrystallizing minerals at extremely high temperatures, allowing for the rapid formation of crystals that once took millions of years to develop deep within the earth. For diamonds, 2 main methods dominate the field: HPHT, which mimics the Earth's intense pressure and heat to form diamonds, and CVD, which grows diamonds atom by atom in a vacuum chamber. These techniques allow scientists to precisely control the size, clarity, and even the shape of each diamond. These advanced processes create stones not only for dazzling jewelry, but also for high-tech industries. Lab-grown gems are used in everything from lasers and electronics to quantum computers, proving their value far beyond mere decoration. Scientists can now engineer diamonds in vivid colors by adding trace elements, something nature can't do on demand. This means we can create rare hues like blue, pink, or even green diamonds tailored for both beauty and function. The lab is no longer just imitating nature, it's perfecting and customizing it. Each gemstone can be designed to meet specific needs, whether for a unique piece of jewelry or a specialized industrial tool. Each synthetic gem is a testament to human control over the forces that once took eons to shape. The process is a blend of patience, precision, and scientific mastery, resulting in stones that rival or even surpass their natural counterparts. The result? Gems that are not just copies, but true technological marvels. Their flawless beauty and engineered perfection are a tribute to human ingenuity. The boundary between natural wonder and human invention is blurrier than ever. Today, it's often impossible to tell the difference with the naked eye, challenging our very definition of what makes a gem valuable. In the lab, we don't just replicate nature, we direct it, shaping the future of gemstones with every crystal grown and every innovation achieved. Imitating gems is an ancient art, nearly as old as civilization itself. Egyptians crafted faience and glass to mimic prized stones, making beauty accessible to all. Romans perfected glass pastes, creating imitations so convincing they fooled generations. Throughout history, the line between valued, alternative, and deceptive fake has shifted with intent and knowledge. The Renaissance revived gem imitation, with lead crystal paste gems sparkling like diamonds for European nobility. These fakes serve practical purposes, beauty without risk. The scientific revolution shifted the goal from imitation to true synthesis, culminating in Verneuil's synthetic ruby in 1902. Humanity had finally created a gem that was a true chemical twin to nature's. This breakthrough set the stage for today's high-tech synthetics. Telling a real gem from a fake is the work of a gemologist, part scientist, part detective. Under a microscope, natural stones reveal unique inclusions, nature's chaotic fingerprints. Synthetics have their own clues, gas bubbles, curved striae, or telltale growth patterns. Tools like refractometers and spectroscopes help identify a stone's optical and physical properties. Each test adds a piece to the puzzle, but no single clue is definitive. Gemologists combine evidence, color, clarity, inclusions, and more to uncover a stone's true origin. This careful work protects buyers and preserves trust in the gem market. Whether born in the earth or the lab, every stone has a story. The challenge is knowing which story you're holding. In the end, science and skill keep the world of gems honest. Not all fakes are about deception. Many are prized for their ethics, accessibility, and artistry. Lab-grown gems offer a conflict-free, eco-friendly alternative to mined stones. Replicas of famous jewels let anyone own a piece of history, democratizing beauty. Some collectors value the innovation behind synthetics as much as the stones themselves. High-quality lab gems are celebrated for their scientific achievement, not just their looks. Unique fakes like Slocum stones or antique paste gems are now collected for their own charm and history. These objects have become more than imitations. They're valued for their own stories. The fake's appeal lies in what it represents: ethical choice, technological triumph, or simply a new kind of beauty. Sometimes, a fake is loved not for what it copies, but for what it is. In the world of gems, authenticity can mean many things. The world of fake gemstones is more than a tale of deception. It's a story of changing values and human ingenuity. Lab-grown gems challenge our ideas of worth, offering beauty, ethics, and innovation. Sometimes perfection and peace of mind matter more than ancient origins. From Egyptian faience to modern synthetics, we've always been drawn to recreating nature's wonders. Today's flawless fakes are not just imitations, they're achievements born from science and creativity. The flawless fake is a symbol of our mastery and our evolving sense of value. In the end, we cherish the stories behind our stones, whether forged in the earth or crafted in a lab. Sometimes the most captivating beauty is the one we create ourselves.